Yeah, I'm with you, Caustic Cobra. To me, it doesn't matter. That's why these questions don't bother me, or like the free will discussion. To me, I don't care if free will exists or not, as long as there's no way for me to tell the difference. It's good enough for me. If this is not free will, well, it feels like it enough to me, so. If a tree falls in the woods and there's no one to hear it, do girls actually exist? Didn't I say this in one of my videos? Didn't I say if the illusion is perfect, is it really an illusion at all? I used to write deep stuff like that in my scripts. That's why I want to revisit. I want to bring back the deep undertones. Then I used to include in the Witch Neko. Oh right, because that one got meta, I forgot. She gets all meta about it. You dig the deep undertones? That doesn't surprise me. I need to... Yeah, I need to write. I should try to write one. I haven't in so long. I've just been doing these like super comfy videos, but I should get back into like some sincere plot. I've been thinking about that for Valentine's Day. I might do... I've had this video idea for a long time. I feel like Mac might have suggested it, but it's been sitting in my brain forever, and I might bring it back for this year. Try to do something cool. I don't think so, Kai. I think that experiences are experiences, no matter if they're real or not. Because I think that even when you like play a video game, that still counts as like an experience. Although I don't think you should like fall in love with video game characters. Probably for your own mental well-being, but you know, you still experience Skyrim, and that still counts for something. Exactly your viewpoint, and yeah, try to avoid that. Thank you so much for playing my game. Yeah? The brain worm, Max brain worm, has been living in my head for years now. Also, I'm in love with Tiffany. Yeah, Hellcat, I think this video will be something like that. This will not actually be the Valentine's video, even if it's like Valentine's-y themed art. I do want to do... I might do like, I've been listening to a lot of Aruka ASMR, and she does this like candy eating sounds. I kind of want to try that and do like Succubus eats candy with you on Valentine's Day video. Although I guess it's not on Valentine's Day because I might have a different Valentine's video. Phoebe has never experienced a Mario game? Wait, really? She hasn't? I didn't know that. She should. She should. Weird way to say you want to eat candy on business expense. Hey, you don't have to call me out like that. Don't have to call me out like that. It might be true, but yeah. That would be a fun stream too, if I can just like eat candy the whole stream. I might get sick of it though. She's a succubus. She'd be all for cheating and eating Valentine's candy on a different day. That's a good idea, actually, Ditch. Maybe she should... Wait, that's a really good idea. Ooh, maybe this could be like an anti-Valentine's video where she like talks about how like Valentine's Day is a social construct and you shouldn't live your life by what other people tell you to do, and you can eat candy any day you want. That might be good, right? She just tells you to live happily and be unashamed. That's a good idea. Thank you for the idea. I'm probably gonna use that. All my homies hate Valentine's Day. I think Vivi might have done an anti-Valentine's video. Now that I think of it, I'm drawing on all the wrong layers. I helped. You did help. Yeah, I know a lot of people have negative perceptions about Valentine's Day. So what if she teaches you how to ignore all that and just find the joy in like eating half-priced candy or something? No problem, Mario. Yeah. Yeah, maybe she'll talk to you about half-off candy. It's true, it's true. Valentine's Day is cancelled for everyone because of the pandemic. Try again next year. Oh, do you hear my air conditioning unit? It's not even turned on. And it makes these crazy noises. This is like what I have to live with when I'm trying to record. It just randomly makes noises that are super loud and totally disrupt any ASMR recording. Very annoying. It's so loud. I'm just listening to it like it's gaining sentience. It feels like that. It sounds faulty. I don't know, because my apartment building has like said that they're loud. They are coming to do an inspection on, I don't remember, someday this week. So maybe I'll ask them about it when they come look at them. Because we have two, and the other one does the same thing. So they would both have to be faulty. I feel like they're just loud. For some reason. Why does it sound like a man trapped in a metal trash can scratching at the sides of the can? I know, it's not cool. It makes all sorts of noises too. Last night it woke me up because it was like blur, 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 blur. It was like bubbling inside. You're right, I think it is gaining sentience. Posture check? Ooh. Ooh. I'm up. I'm sitting straight.